Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today we'll help you out by showing you how to play sugarcane in Minecraft. This is actually a little bit annoying for newer players, I must say. I'm going to collect some sugarcane from my automatic one. Because sugarcane has a couple rules when you want to place it, which can be pretty annoying. It's not like wheat where you can place it pretty much near water and it will always grow. Sugarcane has to be next to water in order to grow. And as you can see, if we place it here, I can left click as much as I want, it's not going to work. If I place it here, it will work. You can place it on most natural blocks like sand or grass or dirt or whatever. As you can see, I can place it here as well, but not here. It has to be next to the water. It can't be on this block either. As you can see, I cannot place it. It has to be directly next to it. That is the only rule pretty much when it comes to sugarcane. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.